morning, Tom.
All right, let's talk about what's going on, man. A lot of clouds up here yet. Hope to see those break up, and they should be breaking up later this morning. But right now, Category 1 storm, that's Erin, and it's going to continue moving away. And it pretty much followed its track that was predicted several days out, and continuing to weaken to an area of low pressure. It'll kind of settle right there between Iceland and the UK, kind of following that Gulf Stream. Still some flooding issues in coastal areas for the next couple of days, slowly subsiding for you folks out there. And right now we're looking at good cloudy conditions yet, 68 degrees, the dew point's at 65, a light breeze out of the northwest at 5 miles per hour, mid-60s, upper 60s in some spots. Pretty uniform, even Stanton at 65, Kilmarnock at 67 this morning. And today we'll see the clouds breaking apart, so cloudy skies becoming partly to mostly sunny as the day goes. We'll look for a high today of 84. It's going to be a lovely evening, clear and cool tonight, dropping back to 62 degrees, a very comfortable night's in store for us. And we've got some very comfortable weather in store over the next several days. We'll show you that in the 7-day. But right now, yeah, a good deal of clouds slowly breaking up here. There's the system. Erin heading out to sea. You can see those clouds kind of wrapping around it. Not a huge rainmaker for many areas. It's just that the swell was enough to get that surf really going for some spots. But that's what we're looking at. High pressure is going to now settle in for a few days, breaking up the clouds, bringing in some drier, more comfortable air. No major systems in the east. Some showery weather may be down if you're going to drive down into the Carolinas this afternoon, but nothing severe. The only spot of severe may be around Council Bluffs, Iowa, that area, upper Midwest today. But the tropics remain active. It's the time of year where they are. A couple spots. You can see Erin up there in the upper left. You can see another system in red there. That's got a great chance to become a named storm here, probably later today or tonight, but that's going to also curve away. 10% chance there in yellow, a 60% chance there in orange. So many areas just to keep an eye on. But we're not looking at anything that will affect us in the next 7-day period. So we'll just kind of see how these evolve over the next several days. But temperatures are going to be great. 80s. About 87 for the weekend into Monday. Another cold front is going to bring some very calm, quiet air in and cool air starting Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. An extended forecast, 8 to 14 days out, it looks like temperatures should remain below normal. So we've got some really pre-autumnal air that's going to be settling in. And as we go into September, it should be very nice through early September. 84, 85, 87, 87, just a slight chance for a shower or storm later Sunday. But that cold front coming through Sunday into Monday, that's going to bring in some lower dew points, some lower humidity, and overnight low temperatures should fall into the upper 50s. Look at that, with daytime highs just into the lower 80s going into the middle of next week.